Ronaldo be fine.
Ede am yase.
Ronaldo.
Say weekend nso bibia e kama.
Oh yeah.
Ede am yase.
Me who some to tin any why nice boy.
Atete ho kakra. Ade ankam babo no.
Ba oju.
Me ntwi mo bia. Kuma. Mudi see ye be twase.
When you do too much.
Be be wura.
Etere your word is akura. Why ya go amati ho come mouth shape. Which is with Doko.
Nano miko ai fite wo hoyi.
What's that order?
Master bem ho.
Yeah.
Me gina some UK burger bi was a friend ura. Me gina no about as a minimum. And I'm saying there was no you.
You're your boss akura no.
So you're your boss akura no. So also tino everything. And I say everything. Nyasem kito. Happy birthday, chairman.
That's it.
Nhyira.
Amen.
Onko so anya okese.
Amen.
Na adoye de o menka. One thing I love about you no. Kofi obi a ono ade no nse no.
Why have be Sarah boys that do.
Kofi de.
Kakara boys dey bring no boy jai dey about.
Kofi de oya adoye.
Na me
be shira wo ho.
O wallet no pejani ehwe.
Ayi me bagi. Oui.
Aye.
Arare.
Some boys they say also envelope bi ade ma me 1,000 biara. Ana birthday do so the one na we.
Oba no fine na ba.
Fiifi.
Me kasa who inside no. O offer entrance no. Udru security o peja utihwe signboard na acho no. Oh me we think command house. So a signboard no. Ya tro in share FM. Ase no ma tro say.
More day.
Tikovi yanko. Chef, mo edin.
O kumio.
We me do achi awa branti.
Idi ale worry no.
Maybe aka me.
You don't back akra me.
Oh, ma chichira ibi wa ha.
And say dey say na mo bi sala na mo dia.
So yes, the order for some no dema.
Obisa na ma re ma. Odi ma peja me.
We be there my package ni kama. And da me ncha hayi. We ya me da ma say January.
The way me be di me birthday a o ma me fans na me ya doye. Na go me 1,000 so Kofi je 1,000.
Insure. Bibi be fine. Yeah, sure. Kofi Maeska. Happy birthday, Nhyira.
To be
be. Some na Kofi birthday. Mun show love so. Especially Chelsea for any day. Kofi there, I mean, Kofi ni Chelsea there. Come on. The Munchado. Enfa enche Kofi. Any come.
Yeah. If you come, yes, as birthday also or Saturday you do 10 odds. It's any go chebi and nyame nyame share na me ya. Which is a wo na udru o third decade ni mo a very important.
Okay.
Na nyame adom yewem I create him, you're calculating Musa. You say, for life. That is all that's important. Now, Gabi Cassie say, I dare to your commercial idea. Maybe so far as I have life, I'll keep on going. A bomb pie, I remember be a come. You never be a bemobia. And it's a DBI, you try to see a bear, Jumana. That's right. If I enjoy any Apeka crash, boys in here. You need come on. No, and go to corner sign by back, and I must say, me a
good.
Hi.
Say.
Rich.
Now go to there say ye sa convo that.
No me as a page and so no for there.
No, and I mean just say. Say the ye no kata anamboa.
Oh Debbie.
Go to come on. Ye no kata that.
You go to come da.
I see.
Debbie.
You go to come on.
Hey. Nenyo money and about almost 17 years versus 40 years. Musi boy bi am friend Lamine Yamal. Obeche Ronaldo say ne bobo no na Ronaldo nya de nchi no. I'm say okay.
And no amate sa man for kase. Nuno Mendes at the Abrante ni shade boto. Look. Abrante no oni bobo. Nuno ni die.
Oh yeah.
Ya mianim kwani.
Very good player.
Oh ya bola.
Very good player.
But enya no kweso no nkwa singa anally. And stop with Lamine Yamal.
But you don't question
Lamine Yamal, you could count the number of Portuguese players on Mukono.
Oh yes.
They know the boy.
It is very true.
And I ran to the hype.
every day.
What are players are going to?
Yeah. Always Vitinha now. What genuine tactical board was on Facebook, and you see say Lamine Yamal actually born was no. Nuno Mendes near closing it down, but Portugal for him say Lamine Yamal betting cut onto the left foot no. And anytime he receives the ball, Vitinha also comes to closing near a very very good necessary. Vitinha closing gidi. Or just space kakra say ne be ya. A branch of Lamine Yamal will not beat both of them together. But you see. Yen fa asem no ento perspective mu yi se ne be ya enkomo ne be ye de amaye nyina rich enra se wo share betting site bi aso a the bookmakers said that the favorite was Spain, and rightly so, because not Spain Ronaldo, De La Fuentes winning the Euros, in fact the best team in Europe. But for this game in 90 minutes the only game De La Fuente elusu as Spain manager has been just one, and they were good. Rich, I think that Lamine Yamal and Casa sets the tone for this game. He sets the tone. And I don't know. Lamine Yamal on Instagram to say he is born for this, you know. And it was Lamine Yamal's Instagram. I went to Twitter and I said that Lamine are against France. Why against Madrid? So or try to one more back or deliver. He does it every time. And the boy, you know, near money down, so they said the aura around him, he is not scared. Just 17-year-old boy, or believe he said he knows that he's the best player. Oh, yeah, say especially for his age. It's rich in my head. Say Lamine Yamal sounds so bad about game way. Now or sounds to deliver. But in some man watch hold him now. One here, the rhetoric at the end of the day is going to be that Lamine Yamal 17 years about be really a goat in common. But rich, I think Portugal had a good plan. And they executed the plan very, very well on the day. Abra Portugal for first goal in Bemu through Abrante's friend Martin Ibanez Zubimendi, which I think was a mistake in the box from Portugal. I asked myself, say, they came back, you know, my last game against Germany. Can they come back again? It was a game of two friends, but on either side of the Iberian Peninsula, for Ushe Park, red and all of them, their predominant color is red. And rich, no Portugal for Spain for in a long time. It dates back to decades. And it was same for the Germany game. So could Portugal come back? Rich, that response from our branch friend Nuno Mendes, just 5 minutes. 5 minutes after sending our branch friend Martin Ibanez Zubimendi, Eddie Kenya first goal for team friend Spain, put me in a lot of place. And Rich, he wasn't just the man of the match for the game. He was also the player of the whole tournament. The UEFA Nations League, which, and you see,
and a guy in the ball,
or your left back, which in football, we have three phases. First phase, are your friend in the build-up phase, and your second phase, which is the progressive phase, and your third phase, the final phase, your friend, the final third area one. Which in every phase of play, Nuno Mendes affects the game. And you can say, Nuno Mendes can play the ball from the back. And carry ball from Fiifi and Nuno Mendes can do that job again. Rich, na CR7 could do box mu. Na CR7 obi my goaler. He does that job. And Rich and Siwa, he comes back to do his job as a defender. And you fullback or check goals, and free kick. No, the basic job, Debbie, or the basic job they count. And Rich, and Mobian Sre Lamine Yamal. Nuno Mendes has done it to Mohamed Salah. I can experience like Salah will be saying Lamine Yamal cry. Or Koasa the Biko Koye, Bukayo Sakamo. Then went to the Champions League final, held down Inter's wing backs. This is the boy we are talking about. Rich Interior, when he did it against Abrante's Lamine Yamal, I was not surprised. Which do you know that Abrante's Nuno Mendes is the highest scoring defender our Champions League name this season? Defender was the most goals our Champions League name. It was Abrante's Nuno Mendes. So, and Yami Wawa said after the game, he didn't just win the MVP of the game, but also won the best player of the UEFA Nations League. He was brilliant. He was brilliant in every magnitude of the word. And for me, I loved him. I loved everything that he did on the day. Rich, you see, it takes me back again to Spain for no 2-1 goal na Oyarzabal e ba share no. Did you see Pedri's pass? Because Spain are winning match ne. So today the focus will not be on Pedri Gonzalez. But that pass, and maybe say we highlights the on Facebook into here. Just join me on Facebook. The pause are original ball also answer na Oyarzabal make you run no. Rich, if you are not a brilliant midfielder, you can't do that from Pedri Gonzalez. And Oyarzabal, yes, Nhyira, Abdul Pomasimu Beka Chevizo Fiifi, it is the run that makes the pass. But trust me, as somebody who is a midfielder, say Obi a ready game no, not on him say already will run, no bubble no to anymore. Then it shows that he is an excellent player, and now Pedri was super inside pass now boy over there no, to find our branch friend Oyarzabal in making it 2-1. Rich, did you think that Cristiano Ronaldo was going to score on the night?
At a point, yes. Because Ronaldo did park in the point. Bibi abeti Messi. I mean, I'm saying no quarantine and I in film because game no movie.
Yeah.
O man pass and what chawe.
Yeah.
Born on so bound to them who do DBA. But coach needs to if you say, look, this is Ronaldo.
Yeah.
A cast seconds ground, wait my BB.
As a side game.
As a side game.
Yeah.
So yes, at the point. About my dreams will be too much.
Who see any post-match interview? Ronaldo said we pray before the game.
Oh, okay.
Also warm up, not say we pray. But for Portugal, he will do everything. Rich, I know that goat in common. Me, I cannot convince anybody or anyone say Messi and goat say Ronaldo may go to that. It is the same way say Obi say Messi and goat. Rich, Opatroni abetro wiem man assorting. I will not believe you because I have my metrics in believing that Ronaldo is my GOAT. Who are they? So I will allow it to become subjective. Obian funny there. But who describe you GOAT? Tell me what your GOAT has done. Let me tell you a story.
But me Goofy.
Yeah.
On a monstrous note.
Yeah.
So GOAT in common. A subjective said the canon.
Oh, maybe
because the Biamu catch as a football. It's about numbers.
Yes.
Born out born in the area. Then now to me do born yeah. So say a numbers yeah. Then I think in common yes subjective game.
I say numbers.
It's about the wire.
Then the ultimate job comes down to maybe the Ronaldo. Ultimate numbers.
Obi a just walk up to you. Obi a just walk up.
Which man okay, me jodi me to ase. Now mami wura ni enti ameka sa.
Okay.
Rich.
Nhyira fan.
And Ronaldo she go.
Yeah.
It was a goal that in highlights me you see the Cristiano Ronaldo goal. It was a goal na Obi Anyini said probably was going to come at that point in time. Portugal were down. Rich, it is the very first time Ronaldo actually a goal in a major final for team and friend of Portugal. And that goal, it's not an easy. Maybe I want to game you already said a regular tap in. It was close to the box. It was boxed in, but it wasn't a tap in. Rich, do you know that before Cristiano Ronaldo, now Portugal call World Cups even up to 3. Richard, Portugal and Eusebio, Luis Figo, all of those teams, they are not going to the World Cup up to 3 times. Cristiano Ronaldo comes in, qualifies them consistently to the World Cup. Rich, before Cristiano Ronaldo, not Portugal, any major European trophy, Mr. TNE, since 2002 that I started watching this man, 2004, he had the country no free to know. The country of his birth had not won a single major trophy. Rich, he takes it by the scruff of its neck. Wins 3 major trophies for the crew. In doing that, Cristiano Ronaldo has 936 goals in a career. Nobody, Mr. Romero Pele cannot account for a lot of his goals. Nobody has scored the number of goals Cristiano Ronaldo has scored. 938, the only well-documented goal in that regard. Nobody, per his age, comes in on a night where his country needed him most. Yes, you already 40 was this season alone, or you're the highest scorer and then the highest assist giver, goal contributions for the Portuguese national team in the calendar year. Rich, Messi in free Portugal. And I can include Nhyira. And they imagine major trophies in Yensa. I said 338 goals as the highest ever Champions League goal scorer. We will not have heard what people will say. I understand the individual awards, Messi are winning, Obi and yes, but I'm saying that in the context of international football, any baby Ronaldo free no. So Obi can so any go ta and meaning could leave the person to enjoy their whatever they are saying. Because for me, I know my goat. And me goat, you know, your friend Cristiano Ronaldo Aveiro dos Santos of Portugal, Midera and your or your top. And then I'm not listening to your argument. On the day, my goat won. Moody go to for by.
Okay, so more can say only a mini problem. Because they said they will also a woo goat.
Me goat.
But when someone for because oh you goat. On no problem.
They say or
you go to international football the pinnacle no isn't not a World Cup.
The pinnacle of international football is the World Cup. Agree, got it.
And sa pinnacle na e kan wasem no. A certain best na je. Ronaldo nje.
Fine.
It is always a di go to commodia. Now say the every metrics e be din commona. Then the hono o me kan chem say sa niam we na o kato ni agusba du Lamine Yamal dia. Was yan ko puli numbers.
Na Lamine Yamal baby I see baby be puli dia.
Etina Kofi. What I'm saying is say sa na e kan dia any dia megia tum.
Na say we be na
e bia say nipa na e kan no so. Me feel say me quote e Ronaldo.
Numbers one say no e
na the number e say tina me so me bi sa say. Football na ye boni na international football na o de be ya stick.
Exactly.
Ne kase pa no. Ronaldo nje Messi aje.
Okay, club football now you can ne kese pa na Champions League. Ronaldo is the best player there in terms of goals over there. And you don't beat him with the number of times you've won the trophy there. It is here also the
World Cup na suje bibia ogu.
World Cup what je come pe. And no catch us say
GBA
2026 and Russian. And you're Russian. Why? 2026 you never go America. We go to America. Na odie muso mamo. Na sa World Cup bro. Ronaldo is back. Nkagbe na o.
Anobe Andy Gajem o nya di World Cup.
The World Cup is a
Pele Maradona omudina be fi.
Obi ankoda. Yeah, the World Cup is a king. Yes, Remo. Get a movie any baby. On the night,
sure.
It was a Cristiano Ronaldo night.
Yeah.
And then congratulations to them. Between Portugal for manager Roberto Martinez or Spain me free. He's a born Spaniard. Now he played against his native country and then had to beat them. I only a lot of criticisms. Marriage. Portugal team was quality. And adding for you to find balance in that team. I think that he did a very, very good job on the day and congratulations to him over there. Right. Rich, that is exactly what it is. Updates with Mike Mignon still. Mignon catcher AC Milan say kwa no person oko. Into one way then he wants to leave AC Milan. Into Milan for any scan. Omanya obe running down the contract. Chelsea called this weekend to Jimmy Bino gets in Zediska Koye. Dortmund for saying enough. And what they want is that they want more money. I'm expecting say and now Jimmy Getson's any Mignon deal no. Either of them will be done. Meaning so what's it news now? Branch friend Mamadou Sarr, Chelsea announcing as a new player who is going to be part of Chelsea for centre backs now going into the Club World Cup. El Honum, Barca for now are going to get Juan Garcia. By Wednesday, Juan Garcia will sign his contract. I will team a friend Barcelona. They will sell Christensen more.
And all do birthday.
My boys in birthday code.
So we so me here mumu no. Chelsea for so me here mumu seriously. Na amon fami to so. Tilo, o handle we are no be accounts why? Now do be accounts no. 2 + 2 no and 2 no.
See ya, o say Tilo handle be accounts.
Aye.
Bajo.
E me bu nim so be accounts bi 2 + 2.
Bajo.
No throw 2 on am.
Suntidia.
Oko school ne mass na nya na.
I am 2 years Suntidia. Accounts we kwa de.
O be me na tra.
E ka me number ne be mananka boys na send me message a say na ma na ma comes with David. And community ho. So come by.
Make it appear said unyini
ni o. What was it? Was it a juwaro? After the 10 odds I did this weekend, Michelle, coach me the amount in the European qualifies for the World Cup now. First one here 1F789044. 1F789044. Second year 1F7894AA. 1F7894AA. Next one here 1F79631D. 1F79631D. Next one here 1F7964A4. 1F796484 and the last one here 1F796839 honor rich.
Okay.
Birthday blessings no
amen. I mean koswa na onshira kofi. Bravo wisdom say is Richardo related to Napo?
Rich, Michelle Fatilo say mo kamu mo or the number beto.
Titilo who handle that why handle say you know. You say the Bravo wisdom say is Richardo related to Napo because he give me that vibe. We name Doctor baby I'm related to Dr. Napo so man come on so tia na yeni apomide hon komo kakra ansa na Bismarck o sibe mpa yala enso abeso eye batonum ye ko Medimosis Process Center na mene Dr. Emmanuel Boatin enso edi eye enkomo log ultimate kan no pay good morning
Good morning.
Pachona anope what to say